Hello everyone, welcome to the 72 Dragons Health Channel. I am Dr. Pietro Aparicio. We are reporting on the World Health Assembly 2024's latest advancements in global health. Today, we will discuss the role of artificial intelligence AI in global health. Artificial intelligence stands as a transformative force within computer science, poised to revolutionize the practice of medicine and the delivery of healthcare. By harnessing advanced algorithms and machine learning, AI has the potential to enhance diagnostic accuracy, personalized treatment plans, and streamline administrative processes. According to the World Health Organization, artificial intelligence has the potential to transform global health by providing advanced tools for surveillance, drug development, administration, diagnosis, treatment, and patient care. It can improve access to services and reduce health system costs. The success of artificial intelligence depends on governance, equity, data, regulations, policies, and more. Ensuring the responsible use of AI in healthcare also involves upholding human rights and protecting patient privacy. This requires the development and enforcement of strict data security measures to prevent breaches and misuse of sensitive information. A roundtable was conducted at the 2024 World Health Assembly on the topic Artificial Intelligence for Health: Opportunities, Risk, and Governance. The roundtable highlighted the rapid advancements of artificial intelligence technology and its use to improve health outcomes. Also, it focused on addressing disparities in access to AI-driven healthcare solutions and promoting the fair distribution of AI benefits across diverse populations. Artificial intelligence presents a tremendous opportunity to advance global healthcare by improving diagnostic accuracy, enhancing treatment plans, and increasing access to medical services. AI can lead to more efficient and effective healthcare systems when implemented responsibly, focusing on equity, human rights, and privacy. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more valuable information. Thanks for watching.